Have you started planning your wedding but are overwhelmed at the amount of things you need to arrange? Stay tuned for what to book first. Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about why booking your wedding ceremony and reception space first is so important. So you're planning your wedding and you're really excited. Maybe you've started looking at dress and flower designs. Perhaps you've spent the last few weekends flicking through wedding magazines, poring over Pinterest, or searching online for more ideas. But before you start Googling for the perfect hair and makeup artist, those centerpieces, or the exotic honeymoon destination, we suggest that you secure your wedding ceremony and reception space first. Did you know that the most popular locations can book out 12 to 18 months in advance? We don't want you to miss out on your dream location because somebody else booked it first. With this in mind, the first thing that you should be thinking about is when you want to get married. Then look for where. What's the point of the fancy centerpiece or red carpet if you don't have a venue? But once you have secured your venues, only then should you start looking at decorating and working out what else you can fit in the space. We've seen too many couples come to us with a long list of items that they've already booked, only to find out that they don't look good in the new space, or sometimes don't even fit. So be sure to save yourself a lot of headaches and lost deposits, and do the research to ensure that your wedding ceremony locations are booked in advance. We hope this advice has been useful to you, and if you like this video, please follow us for regular updates on our wedding planning advice series. Also, check out the social media links below for more information and inspiration on your big day. Until next time, happy planning.